Today here I'm cleaning this school. This is a classroom and we're cleaning this whole area. Carpet looks pretty good for the most part, except for they did some construction work, so there's paint right there, and then there's some gum stains. There's a gum stain right there, so that will be gone. I'll take the stuff out. And there's also a yellow stain right there of some sort. It's hard to tell what it might be. And then here I'm going to be cleaning this hallway up to about 20 feet from here. So that's it. This will look good. Well, actually, there's more stains over here. Yeah, there's like some brown stains, like right here, and it's hard to see it because of the sunlight, but right in this area. So this whole area here has some kind of brownish stain, and that will come out. We're using a POG, paint oil grease remover, to remove this gum right here. Yeah, this gum, it's a school, so sometimes, well, it doesn't even matter. I find gum everywhere. And yeah, anyway, so we want this gum to come out. With removing gum, using solvents, you have to be careful not to put too much solvent. You don't want to delaminate the carpet, which means you don't want the backing to separate. Or in this case, it's glued down to the concrete. You don't want to dissolve the adhesive, the glue that's holding the carpet. Otherwise, you'll end up with a loose, like a bubble. It'll bump. It'll sort of come up like a bubble, like in this small area. So, but yeah, that's it. This is already loose. Now all I have to do is rinse it out. So yeah, one spot, it's not a big deal. But when you have like 50 of these, then it becomes very time consuming. So that's where the gum stain was. And you see it out. Now you don't see it. A little bit right here. This might actually be something else besides gum. Well, it is gum, no question. You can see that's still there, so I have to go over it a few more times before it comes out, but it's gone for the most part. see it anymore. It's right here, but I can't see it. It feels a little bit crusty, but I don't see it anymore. So I'll go over a few more times to rinse it out, and that's it. So this room here is finished. And it's drying pretty good. I would say it's probably about 60-70% dry already, and it's been about an hour and a half since I finished cleaning it. So on this one I'm going real slow because there's a lot of paint and also gum stains. And now after this, I'll be cleaning this hallway up to right about there. The problem here is that they have even more paint. All those white spots right there, those are all paint. So this will be a job. So as you can see, this area, the paint stains are gone. I'm gonna actually yeah, so these here, they just want most of them to be gone. You can see right in that area, the paint stains are mostly gone. It's very difficult to get them out. But over here, there's still some big noticeable ones. Those white spots right there, those are all like that one, that one, that one, that one. Those are all paint. I wish they were plaster. That would be real easy to get out, but they're not. So all these here, I'm gonna take most of them out. That way it's more presentable, because the way it looks, more than likely they would have to probably replace this carpet, because doesn't look very good. And anyway, this is the room. Now you can see it's about 90% dry. Looks good.